What's up, everybody? How you doing? Everybody good? That's good, man. That's good. Stay focused, man. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Don't get thrown off your square. Block out the loud noise. What's the loud noise? The loud noise is the distractions. Everybody pulling you from here, there, over here, there, this and that. Want this attention, want this time, want you to do this, want you to get here, want you to be over there. Stay focused. Don't get thrown off your square. Block out the loud noise. Because if you don't block out the loud noise, you're going to be stuck and stagnant. When you're trying to do things with your life, when you're focused on the mission, you don't need anything coming inside to throw you off. You have a pattern that you set for yourself, and when something messes with that pattern, you get thrown off from what you was trying to do. So you got to stay focused. Don't get thrown off your square, man. It's hard. It's easier said than done. Like I said, it's a lot of things in the world, and life hits you sometime where it's pulling you in this direction. Now you off the goal because you distracted. That's why you got to block out the loud noise when you're doing stuff. You can't be listening to everybody's opinion on how they feel about this and what you're doing and what they doing and, hey, this should work. Hey, this won't work. You can't listen to it. Stay focused. Don't get thrown off your square. Remain on your square. We got things we have to touch out here. We have goals we have to reach. We don't have time to be getting thrown off every day. If you want it this bad, you got to be tunnel vision. You can't let nothing throw you off your square. It's easier said than done. But you got to remind yourself what we doing this for. What are you doing this for? So what you doing it for and what your vision is inside of your head, you can't let nothing throw you off your path. Stay focused. Don't get thrown off your square. Block out the loud noise. Who cares? Don't listen to what your friends doing or your aunties and your cousins, whoever. Stay focused, man. Stay focused. It's so easy to get thrown off your square, man, to where you forget what you're doing. You got to block out the loud noise. A lot of people don't have goals and dreams. We do. So in order for us to reach those goals and dreams, we have to be tunnel vision. We can't worry about what's going on in the world. We have to worry about our life. We know where we want to be. We don't want to be like everybody else. So stay on your grind. Don't let people pull you in a direction to where they want to pull you. Don't get thrown off your square. Block out the loud noise. There's so much loud noise around the world. There's so much loud noise. So many distractions, so many temptations. But in order to go where you're trying to go, you have to cut it off. Because if we keep getting caught up by distractions, we're going to be stagnant in our positions. And we can't let nothing throw us off our square on what we're trying to do. I just have to drop that on y'all. Stay focused, man. Stay focused. Don't get thrown off your square. Block out the loud noise. You have a good one, man. I'll chop it up with y'all later. Quick banger. Peace.